Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important and educational topic to discuss. What is discriminatory abuse? Discriminatory abuse is a serious issue that affects many individuals around the world, and it's essential that we understand what it is and how to prevent it. So, let's dive right into it. Discriminatory abuse, also known as discrimination-based abuse, occurs when a person is mistreated or harmed due to their race, ethnicity, nationality, religion, gender, sexual orientation, disability, or any other characteristic that makes them different from others. This type of abuse can manifest in various forms and settings, from everyday interactions to institutional practices. To better grasp the concept, let's explore some examples of discriminatory abuse. Verbal abuse. This can involve name-calling, racial slurs, or derogatory comments targeting a person's identity. Physical abuse. When someone is physically assaulted or harmed because of their perceived differences. Exclusion. Discriminatory abuse can also manifest as social exclusion, where individuals are intentionally isolated or left out of activities because of their characteristics. Institutional discrimination. Discrimination isn't limited to personal interactions. It can be embedded in policies, practices, or systems that disproportionately affect certain groups, such as discriminatory hiring practices or housing policies. The impact of discriminatory abuse can be severe and long-lasting. It not only harms the individual but also contributes to the perpetuation of stereotypes and prejudice. The emotional and psychological toll it takes on victims can lead to anxiety, depression, and even post-traumatic stress disorder. Furthermore, discriminatory abuse can have broader societal implications by perpetuating inequality and division. Now, let's discuss how we can prevent and address discriminatory abuse. Education. Promote awareness and educate individuals about different cultures, backgrounds, and identities to reduce ignorance and prejudice. Legislation. Support and advocate for anti-discrimination laws that protect individuals from discriminatory practices in various settings. Reporting. Encourage victims and witnesses to report incidents of discriminatory abuse to the appropriate authorities or organizations. Support. Offer support and resources for victims, including counseling and legal assistance. Promote inclusivity. Foster inclusivity and diversity in your own life and within your community, workplace, or social circles. Yes, you can take legal action against discriminatory abuse by filing a lawsuit or complaint in a court of law, depending on the jurisdiction and the specific circumstances. Discriminatory abuse, which includes discrimination based on factors such as race, ethnicity, nationality, religion, gender, sexual orientation, disability, and other protected characteristics, is often prohibited by anti-discrimination laws in many countries. Here are the typical steps you might take to pursue legal action against discriminatory abuse. Document the abuse. Gather evidence of the discriminatory abuse, including any written or verbal statements, witness testimonies, photographs, videos, or any other relevant documentation. Contact an attorney. It's advisable to consult with an attorney who specializes in discrimination cases. They can provide you with legal advice, assess the strength of your case, and guide you through the legal process. File a complaint. Your attorney will help you file a complaint with the appropriate legal authority, which could be a government agency, a human rights commission, or a civil court, depending on your jurisdiction. Investigation. After filing a complaint, the relevant authority will investigate the allegations to determine if there is sufficient evidence to support the claim of discriminatory abuse. Mediation or settlement. In some cases, parties involved in the dispute may engage in mediation or settlement discussions to resolve the matter outside of court. Legal action. If mediation fails or if a settlement cannot be reached, your case may proceed to court. In court, both parties will present their arguments, and a judge or jury will make a determination based on the evidence and applicable laws. In conclusion, discriminatory abuse is a harmful and unjust practice that affects people across the globe. It's crucial that we take a stand against it, promote awareness, and work together to create a more inclusive and accepting society. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others to spread awareness about this important issue. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.